The filming of Wek Abonyo Kwani, movie part 2, is set to begin this year. According to the executive director of Oyeyeng Production, Associate Professor Opio Okaka Dokotum, the preparation is underway to start the production of the second part of this movie, which has been the most popular movie in Lango. The movie has been used to promote girl-child education in Uganda and world over. In an interview with Lango News Channel, Opio Okaka Dokotum, who is also the Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Lira University, said they have put together resources and now looking for the characters, whom most of them are available.
Hello, my friend.
Are engaged and they are happy and excited and ready to be part of the Abonyo Kwani Part 2. And there are also now many new people who want to join the production.
If you don't mind, could you mention some of the few problems new people are and those personalities that were in Wek Abonyo Kwani Part 1 that we can expect in Part 2?
You can expect to see Dr. Lawrence Ochen, who was the father of Abonyo. He's going to featuring, you could expect to see Phoebe Awak, the mother of Abonyo, will be returning. Abonyo herself, that is Akelo Barbara, that is popularly known as Abonyo Sylvia Ross. She's going to be returning. I am going to be back as a Yuben, the friend of Obiri Salvatore. I'll be back in that movie, and indeed all those other major characters. I'm hoping that the ambassador to Ethiopia, yes, will be back as Cecilia Ogule, and then of course the husband of the ambassador, Honorable Okotogong, will be back. Indeed, the entire cast will be back.
Wow, maybe lastly, in terms of finances, you could be having challenges with finances, and you could use this opportunity to lobby for more resources.
Yeah, I mean, right now, to do Wek Abonyo Kwani Part 2, we're going to need a minimum of 300 million shillings, minimum. But comfortably around 500 million, we would do a very good movie. And right now, I have an idea of doing what we call crowdfunding, talking to some people who I believe have some leisure cash around the corner who are willing to invest in this project as an investment and who are willing to get back their returns, because I believe this film will produce all that money back if we do it the right way. The last time it was funded by an NGO. This time around we wanted to be funded by business community. So I'm looking forward to engagement with people across to look for the resources we need to do this movie.
Wow, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.